Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the left or the right headlight, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the left and right headlights, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys, we will demonstrate on that Ford Explorer right here. Now guys, okay, we need to work today in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the driver door. You need to come in the passenger on the driver's side in the footwell compartment, and behind the parking brake paddle, look up in the dash on the left side all the way upside down. You're going to see one black cover like this. Press the tabs, pull that cover out. Behind it is the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, what we need to check for fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check two more. Let's zoom in, guys, so you can clearly see things. And the first one that we need to check, guys, okay, is fuse number 17 and fuse number 16, 17. These two fuses will need to be checked, specifically 16 and 17. Now then you need to check fuse 35. That's 33, 34, 35 right here. 35 will need to be checked. You need to also check fuse number 39, that 15 fuse. Then we need to go under the hood, open the hood, and here, guys, on the driver's side next to the car battery, it's the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs, leave that cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Here, what we need to check, guys, okay, two more components. We're talking about fuse 57, guys. Now you may or may not have this one, depending if you have the high density headlights. If you do, it will be right here, that second fuse from right to left. And the other one will be 78, will be the one right here, the first one. We specifically don't have that one. Now, about relays, we couldn't find any relays. It might be controlled by the body control module, guys, but if you have problems, always check these fuses first. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.